हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम लोकोमोशन और मूवमेंट चैप्टर से डिसऑर्डर्स ऑफ द मस्कुलर एंड स्केलेटल सिस्टम पढ़ेंगे। द फर्स्ट थिंग इज माइस्थेनिया ग्रेविस। माइस्थेनिया ग्रेविस इज एन autoimmune disorders which affects the neuromuscular junction. Now what is autoimmune disorder? Autoimmune disorder यानी जब इम्यून सिस्टम खुद के सेल्स को अटैक करता है उसे हम ऑटोइम्यून कहते हैं। सो यहाँ पर autoimmune disorder. So this myasthenia gravis is an autoimmune disorders which is affecting the neuromuscular junction. ये न्यूरोमस्कुलर जंक्शन को अफेक्ट करती है विच विल लीडिंग टू फटीग, weakness, paralysis of the skeletal muscles because of the attacking the neuromuscular junctions, meaning the immune system it will affect the neuromuscular junction and these will result into fatigue yani what, tiredness, weakness and paralysis of the skeletal muscle. So eventually it will cause the paralysis of the skeletal muscle. Next thing is the muscular dystrophy. What is muscular dystrophy? Muscular dystrophy is a progressive degeneration of the skeletal muscle, mostly due to the genetic disorder. So this is because of the genetic disorder, or you can say congenital disorder is the muscular dystrophy, in which there is a progressive degeneration of the skeletal muscle, mostly because of what? Genetic disorder or congenital disease. Next is tetany. So tetany is a rapid spasms or wild contractions of the skeletal muscle due to the low calcium in the body fluid. So we know that calcium is very much required for the muscle contraction. When there is low contraction, when there is low level of the calcium in the body fluid, there will be rapid muscle spasms and wild contractions of the muscles. What is arthritis? Arthritis is what? Arthro yani joint. So arthro मीनिंग जॉइंट एंड आइटीज़। जब कभी भी आप यहाँ पर आइटीज़ देखो इसका मतलब है इन्फ्लेमेशन। ओके, सो आइटीज़ यानी इन्फ्लेमेशन। सो आर्थ्रो मीनिंग जॉइंट एंड आइटीज़ मीनिंग इन्फ्लेमेशन. So arthritis is an inflammation of the joint. There are different types of arthritis which are there, but here we need to know what is arthritis. So arthritis is an inflammation of the joint. Osteoporosis is a age related disorders which is characterized by a decrease in the bone mass and increased chances of the fracture. So the bone mass which is present, it will get down or it will decreased. It is a age related disorders. So basically we can say when it is a postmenopausal, mostly it happens in a postmenopausal, means in women's, postmenopausal women's, because there is a decrease in the estrogen. So there will be decreased in the estrogen which can lead into osteoporosis. So it is an age related disorders which is characterized by decreased in the bone mass and increased chances of the fracture. So fracture will take place. Why? Because of the decreased in the bone mass, which will make the bone brittle and it will easily get fracture. So decreased levels of the estrogen is the common cause. Gout. Now what is gout? Gout is also a arthritis. Okay, so it is a type of arthritis. So it is an inflammation of a joint. See, inflammation of the joint meaning arthritis. So gout is also an inflammation of the joint, but why gout happen is because of the accumulations of the uric acid crystal. And you also need to remember that these uric acid crystal mostly affects the big toe. They can also affect other joint. For example, they can affect knee, ankle, wrist, but mostly it affect a big toe. Okay, so this is known as gout, wherein there is an accumulation of the uric acid and which will lead into pain, swelling. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.